Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview desktop application. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and just jump straight into the video. Now the first step is going to be to download and install the desktop application. So go ahead and download the Tradingview desktop application from the Tradingview website and install that on your desktop computer. Step 2 is going to be to log into your Tradingview account. So go ahead and log into your Tradingview account on your desktop application now that you have it on your computer. Step 3 is going to be to access Tradingview features on your desktop. So now that you have the Tradingview desktop application, you can access Tradingview features including charts, alerts, and news all on your desktop. The fourth and final step will be to use the desktop applications to stay connected to the markets. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview desktop applications. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next